subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell so you are notified each time I post a video. So today I am going to be making my favorite dessert, and I have a very, very special guest. Tell her your name. Say, my name is Jax.
No.
So today we're going to be making brownies. If you would like to see how to make brownies like a pro with me and Jax, Chef Jax, then please keep watching. So we are going to be using sugar, cocoa powder, flour, butter, eggs, salt, baking powder, and vanilla extract. And the amounts will be listed in the description box. So first, Jax, let's pour in all the dry ingredients. Aren't you excited? Here, pour all of this in the bowl. Pour it. Ooh, you gotta finish pouring. Get it all out. Get it all out. Pat it. Ooh, good job. So now let's get the sugar. Sugar. Say sugar. Sugar. Go ahead. Ooh. All right. Now, say it's time for the flour. Good job. Here. Go ahead. Pour it all in. Make sure it's all. Get it all out. Use both your hands. Get it all. Okay, pat it. Get all that. Good job. All right. Now we're gonna put in the baking powder. Put it in there. Yep, good job. Okay, and now we're gonna put in the salt. Say salt. Salt. Yay! All right, so we're gonna put this to the side. It's time for your favorite part. We're gonna crack the eggs, okay? Is this your favorite part? Favorite part. Okay, let's crack them. Here, right here. Crack. Woo! Woo! You are such a good egg cracker. Is that even a word? But whatever. Here, go ahead. Crack. All right, use both your hands. Here, go ahead. Crack it. Wow. You are the best brownie maker. These are going to be so good. Here, and remember, wash your hands after using raw stuff. Almost. Wow. And we gotta beat the eggs too. Okay? Last egg. Say last egg. Last egg. Okay. Here. Crack. Okay. Use both your hands. Wow. Isn't he? That's the best egg cracker, guys. Okay. We got to beat the eggs now, and then we're going to pour that in, okay? Here. Now do it. Try do it. Ooh, y'all, these eggs are getting everywhere. I know, it's okay, it's all right. Almost. You think they're done now? You think they're good? You think it's good now? No, don't eat it. We're going to wash your hands. Okay? You ready to pour all this in here? All right, go ahead, pour the egg. Here, pour this in the bowl. Yeah, here, hold this. You don't need the fork. Here, put this down. And pour it all in there. Is all the egg out?
Egg out.
Egg out. All right. Let's go ahead and now put in some of the vanilla extract. Yeah. We're almost there. And we're going to pour in the butter. The butter. This is a big bowl. But you got this, right, Jax? Say butter. Butter. Go ahead. ahead and mix. Here. Go ahead and stir it. Stir. Okay, guys, so this is how the mixture looks with everything added into it. And now we're going to go ahead and just add it in the pan to bake. Alright guys, so the brownies are done, and now we're going to go ahead and sprinkle them with some powdered sugar and some sprinkles. So, sprinkles. Come on, look. You do the sprinkles and I'll do the sugar. Look. Yeah, sprinkle it on. Grab a whole bunch and sprinkle it all over the brownies. This one's sad. This one's lonely. Put some on here. Put some all over here. Let's turn it around. Let's put some on here. Ooh, good job. Okay, you think we're gonna put some sprinkles on now? A little more? All right. Good job, Jax. Now time for the sprinkles. Make sure we get it all over. Oh no, what? Say sprinkles. I think your cupcakes are really cute. Can I have a kiss when we're done? Just for doing such a good job. Okay, I think our brownies are done. You ready to eat? Let's eat. Try one. Here. So here, this one's yours. Okay, time to get that one. Okay, try it. Eat it. You can lick all the frosting. I mean the powdered sugar. Well, before they leave, can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss, please? Thank you. So let me get a kiss and go back to my brownies. All right, guys. If you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Until next time.